Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this service. Planning a European rail adventure? RailEurope.com can be a valuable resource. This website, found at www.raileurope.com, offers a comprehensive platform for researching and booking train travel across Europe. It provides a streamlined interface for comparing schedules, ticket prices, and various travel options, making it easier to navigate the sometimes complex world of European rail networks. With RailEurope.com, you can explore routes, check availability, and secure your tickets all in one place. The website aims to simplify the process, allowing travelers to focus on the excitement of their upcoming journey rather than the logistical hurdles. Whether you're planning a multi-country trip or a short hop between cities, RailEurope.com can be a useful tool in your travel planning arsenal. They offer resources and information to help you make informed decisions about your itinerary, and often have deals and special offers available. However, as with any online booking platform, it's always a good idea to compare prices and options with other providers to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. Consider checking directly with national rail operators in the countries you plan to visit, as sometimes this can yield lower fares. While RailEurope.com can be a convenient starting point, a little extra research can go a long way in maximizing your travel budget. Remember to factor in things like seat reservations, baggage allowances, and travel insurance when planning your trip. RailEurope.com often provides information on these additional aspects of rail travel, helping you prepare for a smooth and enjoyable journey. So, whether you're a seasoned rail traveler or planning your first European train adventure, check out www.raileurope.com as part of your research process.